Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Warm a 10-flour tortilla so it bends without cracking. This prevents splits later. Once warmed, spread 2 tablespoons of refried beans in a central strip to anchor fillings. Next, spoon 2 to 3 tablespoons of seasoned ground beef over the beans so flavors layer. Sprinkle a 1/4 cup of shredded cheese to bind while hot. Make sure to leave a 2-inch edge clear for folding. This small gap is what stops fillings from spilling when you roll. Once your core fillings are set, add fresh textures. A thin layer of crisp lettuce, a few diced tomatoes, and 2 tablespoons of sour cream or crema for moisture balance. Make sure ingredients are centered. Too much to the edge causes spills. Fold the bottom edge up, then fold each side toward the center, tucking as you roll. This creates a compact wrap. Finally, press the seam down and heat seal the burrito on a hot skillet for 10 to 15 seconds. You finish by cutting the burrito diagonally to show the layers and make it easier to eat. Plate with salsa and extra hot sauce if desired. If the wrap feels soggy, drain any excess liquid from fillings and toast both sides an additional 20 to 30 seconds to recrisp the tortilla. If the seam opens or filling bursts, remake using a 1/2 inch larger overlap on the tortilla and reduce wet ingredients. This prevents leaks and keeps your burrito tight and portable.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.